Question number 1. Which animal has no tongue? The answer is crocodile. Question number 2. Which animal dies after mating? It's B. Question number 3. Which animal has no teeth? Correct answer, frog. Question number 4. Which animal has 50 legs? The answer is centipede. Question number 5. Which animal can see only at night? It's owl. Question number 6. Which is the most dangerous animal in the world? What's your pick? Drop it in the comments.